Wanna go to the store, wanna get some. Wanna go to the store, wanna eat some. The food on the box look good, don't it? Should you buy it, should you wait, should you jump on it? You wanna know if it good, does it taste right? Wanna try before you buy it, what it looks like. Hey, what it looks like. Hey, what it looks like. Wanna go to the store, wanna get some. Wanna go to the store, wanna eat some. What it looks like. Hey, what it looks like. On this episode of What It Looks Like, we have Simple Truth Skillet makers Spicy Cajun Gumbo. And now, let's see what it looks like. But before we see what it looks like, let's check out its nutritional facts. Serving size, 1/3 cup. Calories, 250. Total fat, 1 gram. Saturated fat, 0 grams. Trans fat, 0 grams. Cholesterol, 0 milligrams. Sodium, 1,540 milligrams. Total carbs, 53 grams. Protein, 5 grams. And now, let's see what it looks like. What it looks like, well, the simple truth is, not great. The box clearly shows scallions sprinkled throughout the dish, but you don't really see that in real life. On the box, it says all you need to add is sausage and butter. One would expect the box to have everything in it so that the final product looks like the food on the box. Sadly, this was not the case. The peppers on the box are prominent and plentiful, but not so much in real life. Maybe we are supposed to add more peppers like we are supposed to add the scallions, and that's the simple truth, Ruth. It smells spicy. It definitely has a Cajun aroma that is rather delightful. Overall, I'd say it smells pretty good. It doesn't smell fantastic or make you crave it, but it smells decent. Unfortunately, the rice did not cook all the way. I did follow the recommended cooking time, but the rice turned out a little crunchy. I still ate it though. The sausage has a kick to it. I believe it is the sausage that gives the dish the spiciness that it has. All in all, it has a good flavor. Welcome to the W.I.L.L Awards, where the contestants will be judged on smell, taste, and of course, what it looks like. Each contestant must score at least 20 points. And let's go to the judges on the first category of smell. 7. Next up is taste. 5. And now for that all-important category, what it looks like. 5. Boo! Boo! Thank you so much for watching What It Looks Like. We are committed to bringing you our honest opinion about the way it smells, tastes, and of course, what it looks like. So please like and subscribe today. Hit that notification bell so you never miss another one of our great videos. If there is a food product you would like for us to try before you buy, please leave us a comment below, and if we can find it, we will show you what it looks like. No animals were harmed in the making of this video. However, they may or may not have been harmed in the making of the contestant. But we had nothing to do with that. We promise, honestly, you can trust